Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your Facebook page and your Instagram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after landing over here, tap on the tree line icon on the top right corner of the screen, tap over there. And after that, after landing on this interface, you can see the pages option available over here. Just on the all shortcuts category, tap on pages, and after that tap on the page of which you want to connect your Instagram account. For me it will be this one. Now to connect it, you can see the edit page option available over here just below the create action button. Tap on edit page, and after that tap on settings again. And after landing on this interface, you can see the Instagram option available over here just above the WhatsApp. Tap on Instagram, and after that you can see the connect account option available over here. Tap on connect account and confirm, and let's go. Fill in your email and password like this. After filling your email or your username and password, tap on login like this, and it will take a few moments to log in. And let's save the info, and you can see the Facebook, and you can see the Instagram has been connected to Tutorial Guru Facebook page. And now okay, let's tap on, and you can see the view at the registered student on Instagram, which means that our page connected to my Instagram account. And there guys, this is how you connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.